To DIY or not to DIY? That truly is the question. That is the question we're going to answer today. It's one we get all the time, every day, phone calls. How hard is it to install the cover? Like really, like lay it down for me. Just tell me, level with me here. How hard is it really to do? Well, that's kind of a loaded question. So we've got two easy solutions for you. One of them, we offer complete installation videos that are extremely detailed to go step by step through the entire process so you can watch the video and know exactly what you get into. If you don't want to do it yourself, you've watched that, you've seen that, we've got a complete list on our website. You type in your zip code and it will bring up a whole list of approved shops in your area that are professionals and know what they're doing and can do the install for you. Now, conceptually, let me walk you through what the install really entails. You need to pull the seat out of the truck. Don't try to do it in the truck unless you're a freaking Cirque du Soleil guy and you're hanging through the sunroof trying to undo stuff. Take the seat out of the truck. Now, you need to unbolt the seat from the truck. If you can't figure out what size socket it is to pull it out of to undo the bolt from the floorboard, if a 15 millimeter doesn't work, if that's too big, well, let's go down to a 14 and let's go down to a 13 if that doesn't fit. The process of elimination. You got to pull the seat out. Have the seat, put it on a workbench. All seat covers are just made of leather, and on the underneath side you've got clips that hold it onto the foam. There's different Velcros, there's hog ring strips, there's a couple different ways it can hold on, and then there's clips that are sewn around the edge of the covers that hook onto the seat frame. So conceptually, take the seat out of the truck, undo the cover from the frame and the foam comes off. You've got your old foam and your cover removed. You start with your new foam, your new cover. The new cover is going to attach to the foam, to the face of the foam with Velcro or hog rings or some method, and then you're going to wrap it onto a seat pan. So here's the metal pan. You can see the metal frame. The clips come around, hook onto the frame. That's really all it is to it. You pull the cover, you take the new cover, attach it to the foam, attach that onto the frame, and put it back in the vehicle. Now the detailed stuff is all in the install video. I'm talking about 45 minutes to an hour long videos that go through every little step of it so you can follow along. Watch the video, watch the entire video. A lot of people say, oh, you didn't cover that in the video because they fast forwarded and they didn't watch it, or they got 20 minutes in and they didn't finish the rest of the video where we specifically talk about certain areas. So watch the entire video. It's something you can do yourself once you watch the video. It's very doable. If you're somewhat handy and the video makes sense to you and you've got a decent amount of tools and a workbench to work on, it's very doable. Very doable. That's why we shoot the videos, why we give you the detailed step-by-step so you can do it yourself, save the money. But if you're one of those people that need to just take it somewhere else, there's no shame, drop it off, have the professional do it. They're a professional for a reason. There's a lot that can go into an install, especially if something doesn't go just right. Those guys are going to know how to fix it and remedy it and install it perfectly so that your cover looks good and not like a Walmart pullover baggy cover. Check out the videos, see if you can handle it, see if it looks over your head. If not, look up an installer on our installer network with your zip code and they'll be happy to put it on for you.